Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send your NFTs from the Phantom wallet over to the Magic Eden wallet. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, consider supporting the channel by checking out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. So let's get started. So first, let's get the public address of the wallet to which we want to send the NFT, that being the Magic Eden wallet. So open up your wallet app on your phone and now we need to click on Receive. Once you click Receive, you can see all the networks that Magic Eden wallet supports. So in my case, this is a Solana NFT, so I will of course select the Solana network by just clicking on Solana and then on clicking this copy icon right here. Then go over to the Phantom wallet, go over to the NFTs tab and select the NFT that you want to send. So let's say this one. Now scroll down a bit until you can see network and just make sure that you're on the same network. So my network is Solana, which address I copied from the Magic Eden wallet, and that matches with the network here. So go back up again and click Send right here. Now just paste the address here and click Next. Here Phantom will calculate the network fee, which is a fraction of a cent, because we're on Solana. So if everything looks good on this confirmation screen here, you can just click Send. And now you're sending your NFT from Phantom to the Magic Eden wallet. And now the NFT is sent, so I will click Close. And let's check if it arrived. So as you can see, under my Collectibles tab, the NFT has arrived. So you have your usual Crypto tab right here and your Collectibles tab here, on which you can see all of your NFTs. So that's how you can send Solana NFTs from the Phantom wallet to the Magic Eden wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.